Google has just unleashed a massive upgrade for Gemini CLI, and it's making waves in the software development world. With the introduction of extensions, developers can now connect Gemini CLI directly to their favorite tools. Think Nano Banana, BigQuery, Genkit, and more without ever leaving the terminal. This means you can write, test, and run API tests, generate images, or even analyze data, all from a single prompt. The workflow becomes seamless, reducing the need to switch between tabs or hunt for documentation. For developers who want to stay ahead, this upgrade is a game changer, promising to take productivity and integration to the next level. Let's dive into how these extensions work and why they matter. Extensions in Gemini CLI act like powerful plugins built with MCP servers that teach the AI how to interact with specific tools, APIs, or services. Installing an extension is as simple as a single command, and managing them is just as easy. For example, you can use the Nano Banana extension to generate high-quality images right from the CLI, or install a BigQuery extension to write SQL and analyze datasets using natural language. Each extension comes with a manifest file that guides Gemini on how to use the new tools, and if there's an issue, the CLI flags it immediately for quick fixes. The best part? There's a growing gallery of both official and community-made extensions, so your workflow can be as custom as you need. Gemini CLI Extensions open up a world of possibilities for developers. Imagine scanning your codebase for vulnerabilities with a security extension, analyzing data with BigQuery, or scaffolding app logic using Genkit, all without leaving your terminal. The Nano Banana extension even lets you generate images on the fly, perfect for creating blog headers or visual assets instantly. You can install, enable, or disable extensions as needed, and even build your own in under 15 minutes. Just define your tools in a manifest, install locally, and share with the community. This flexibility means you can tailor Gemini CLI to your exact workflow, combining security, analytics, and creative tools in one streamlined environment. It's a leap forward in developer productivity and customization. With this upgrade, Gemini CLI is evolving from a simple command line agent into a true hub for development workflows. Extensions reduce friction by keeping everything in one place, no more jumping between dashboards or searching for scattered documentation. Whether you're debugging, querying, scanning for security issues, or creating visuals, Gemini CLI's extensibility means you can do more with less effort. The official gallery and community support make it easy to find and share new tools, ensuring the platform keeps growing. As developers continue to innovate, Gemini CLI stands out as a flexible, powerful solution that adapts to your needs and helps you stay productive in a rapidly changing tech landscape.